A sharp photograph is one that is clear and detailed without any blur, softness, or lack of focus. Depending on the depth of field, a photo can have one main area of focus or be more evenly clear and sharp across the entire photo. However, there are other factors that can make your picture look less sharp and clear. For example, when you shoot at slower speeds, your photos can turn out blurry. To fix this, you should use a tripod, since it is quite difficult to hold a camera steady for longer periods of time. Also, using a very high ISO setting can cause a photograph to add noise or break down visually in areas, which will lower the overall quality of the image. Another element that will affect the clarity and sharpness of an image is focus. Your camera most likely has two main options, manual focus or automatic focus. To focus a shot manually, you just rotate the ring on the outside of your lens until you find the focus that you want. Using autofocus, the camera uses focal points, automatically adjusting so that the objects in the shot are sharp and clear. Through these focal points, an area of the image is defined, and adjustments are made for maximum focus. As always, it's best to explore and test your camera's abilities to fully understand what options you have to adjust and control focus.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.